In continuation with the previous video, Aptitude series, we will just learn some more problems also. So the next problem is Akash is quite a sportsman, so he liked to travel some part of his journey on foot at 4 km per hour and some part on cycle, that is 9 km per hour, to his office, covering a total distance of 66 km in 9 hours. What is the distance traveled on foot? Now here is also the calculation is going to be for distance. Okay, so now let's see the solution. Now we know that Akash is a sports person, so he likes to travel by foot 4 km per hour. The speed when he travels by foot is 4 km per hour, and when he travels by cycle, his speed is 9 km per hour. Okay, so we know what is speed now. Now the total distance also we are supposed to know, that is 66 km. Now let us assume the time in which he traveled on foot. We don't know what is the time he has used or how much time he has covered by using foot. So that will be x hours. So now time required to travel on cycle will be 9 minus x hours. So the total distance is 66 km. Now we already know distance is equal to what? Speed into time. Okay, so in previous slide itself it is clearly given distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, now speed into time is the basic formula we have used to find the distance. Now here 4 into x, so we know his speed is 4 and we don't know what is his distance, so that is 4 into x, plus we know he has traveled 9 km per, so 9 into, we don't know his time again, so that will be 9 minus x. Both when we add these two, the kilometer distance he covered is 66. So when we solve this equation, we will get 5x, that is equal to 15. Now the value of x is equal to 3. So we know x is the time which he has traveled on foot. So 4 kilometers. So distance is equal to speed into time. So 4 into 3 will be equal to 12 kilometer. So your option C will be the right answer. Okay, next we will move on to the next problem. Units of speed, time and distance. What all the possible units we will be using it for speed, time and distance? The first one for time will be seconds, minutes and hours. For distance it will be meters, kilometers, miles, feet. These will be used. So when you come for calculating speed, it will be usually meter per second or kilometer per hour. So how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? This is one of the prominent questions which will be asked. Okay, so your units will be given in different sections. So you are supposed to convert it accordingly and approach the problem. Now, when you have 1 kilometer per hour, you are supposed to convert to meter per second, means you simply have to multiply the given unit with 5 by 18. Similarly, when you have meter per second, when you are supposed to convert to kilometer per hour, it's just an inverse or the reciprocal. So you are supposed to multiply by 18 by 15. Sorry, 18 by 5. This is all you should remember. For kilometer per hour to meter per second conversion, you will be multiplying by 5 by 18. And for meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will be multiplying by 18 by 5. Okay, so remember these type of conversions which will be helpful for you in solving problems. Okay. Now, the next problem, next set of conversions, or you just have to remember the given points to remember. So, speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed, and distance is equal to speed into time. This is the basic formula you should keep in your mind. Now, kilometer to meter per second conversion, kilometer, suppose x is given in kilometer per hour, you are supposed to convert to meter per second, that is x into 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, you have meter per second, you are supposed to convert to kilometer per hour. So the conversion will be, you are multiplying it by 18 by 5. Now, I have a question here. A person crosses a 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? Okay, so here it is given in meter and minutes. You are supposed to convert it for kilometer per hour. Now, how the problem can be done? Now, first, we know speed is equal to distance by time. So, we have distance as 600 meter and the time is 5 minutes. We are converting that to seconds. So, that will be 5 into 60. So, that is equal to 2 meter per second. We have got the unit in meter per second. Okay, previously the problem we have got for meter per second. Now we are supposed to convert it for kilometer per hour. Now what we will be doing it? We will be multiplying it by 18 by 5. So you will get it as 7.2 kilometer per hour. So this is how the conversion goes. So stay tuned for more type of to understand more type of problems on speed, distance, time and its conversion. Thank you.